trailer right now. I'm watching him here for you. You can tell she's all up and running right. Been sitting here waiting while they inspect the little pits and scratches and stuff. Yeah, that goes in any old car. Something you drive all the time. Alrighty. Here he goes. Make sure you put it in park here. He's fixing to raise it up, I guess. This is going to Brunswick, Georgia. She's getting up there with him. I don't know. He's bringing it forward on him. All right. I'm watching all this for you, Henry. He's taking her up in the air. She is taking him up in the air. I just hope nothing breaks or falls here. Wasn't like it was being an angle over. There you go. Keeps changing. You gotta take it and put it on the upper side there. Alright, Henry. About the best I can do for you here, Henry, is do what we're doing. There you see your exhaust now. Alrighty, Henry. He's up in the air now. We can drive her in there. Let's see if he doesn't hit any daggum thing. There it goes, Henry. Into the tube. See that down sitting there? That's all I can see is him going up in there, buddy. Best I can do for you, but he's up in there. I can get it about half loaded in there now. Good. Anyway, there's a video of it going in the truck. Turn this thing off.